It's 15 November 2022 and I stopped by the house this evening to pick up some more garbage, and as promised they showed up the day that they said they would start, and gosh, in one day they made a lot of progress, tore up the tatami that was here, a little shrine that was over there. Part of the bathroom doors have been torn out already. Kitchen, part of the kitchen cabinets. It looks like they started, at least they just started some of the connections. Looks like there's a knife here. Anyways, the other tatami room that was here where the living room, the dining room is going to go. And eventually that wall right there, they're going to tear it down as well. And then they also did a whole lot of tearing down upstairs. So they protected the stairs here. This is where the craft room is going to be. Choke's craft room. And yeah, tore down that wall. The old style bamboo, I guess siding, and then with mud plaster. Tore down those closets. Over there, where that closet is, that's where the toilet is going to be. And we're going to expose the ceiling with, and then expose the beams. Tear out these closets. And yeah, like I said, they made in just one day. They did a lot of tearing down. I guess it's pretty easy to tear down stuff, right? But yeah, looking forward to more changes every day. So right now I just come in the evenings and grab a load, fill up the truck, and then leave before it gets too dark. That's what I need to do right now. Yeah, it's starting to get dark out here. It's about another 30+ minute drive back to Wakuni. So by the time I make it, it's dark already. Starting to get dark. And these silly doors, I can never figure out how the hell to open and close them. All right, we're good. All right. So down there, I have my truck full with an old ugly couch and some seats and a mattress. I'll take those to the recycle center tomorrow and keep on doing this. Yeah, today is 19 November 2022, and it's, I guess the tearing down started early this week. They pretty much tore down most of the roof and everything inside the house. The beams are exposed now. Choco and I came to do some more cleaning. I focused on cleaning out the storage unit, kind of keep in here the stuff that we may or may not keep still. That little pile there, definitely that stuff we're keeping. Eventually I'm gonna turn this place into my little man cave / little, I don't know, wood shop or something. We're gonna have, there's only one outlet, and obviously the light switch. I'm gonna have them add a couple more outlets. Coco's down there sorting out, separating garbage, plastic, paper, and that type of stuff so I can make more trips. There's the remnants from the roof. We're gonna keep some of that for to burn for a fire pit and stuff like that. Hopefully, there's Choco down there. Hi, Choco. Eventually get that garage nice and clean. Put some garage doors on it. Here's the little guest house, or the casita, little house in Spanish, casita. And just cleaned it out today so that when they get to it, they are able to work right away. Pretty much cleared everything that we put in here temporarily. The plan is to have this little guest house match the other house, so it's going to have the same type of flooring, shikuyu on the walls. I'm gonna tear down this wall right here, get rid of that genkan entrance, and just make an entrance right here. It's gonna go against the Japanese tradition of having a little entrance to take off your shoes, which is right here, but it's so small and it just takes away space, that precious space, so that's all right. I'm going to tear down this closet, the closet in this little bathroom, lovely outhouse bathroom. That part is going to be torn down, it'll be part of this room, and then on the other side of that wall there's going to be an addition, which is going to be the toilet and this shower on this side. So pretty much the room will be from this wall to the window, no wall in the middle. That would be the little guest room. So it's a nice little size for when company comes and they have their own privacy, and it'd be well heated and air conditioned, and put a little fridge and coffee maker, just a basics TV, so that when we have company, they have their privacy. I think that would be nice. It goes right out to the house. Let's walk right up real quick to the to see the work that they've done so far on the roof, or the second floor, I should say. These last week they tore down that middle wall. They still obviously need to get rid of all this mud plaster. And here's the exposed ceiling. Looks terrible right now, but I can envision. So obviously there's going to be insulation on the top part. So it'd be insulated, covered, white, I guess white shikuya as well. And then these beams, that would be exposed. Obviously that wire would be removed. Part of the housework is all rewiring. So this beam will be exposed. Clean it up nicely, give it a little shine. This beam here should be exposed as well. Big solid beams they used back in the day. You don't see that anymore. And that beam should be exposed. And then behind me, that one as well. And right there is where the toilet is going to go. This will be a huge windows, huge big double pane Windows right here. Come to the back. You can see it's going to be very nice and bright up in here. And standing by the toilet will be Choco's craft room, hobby room, whatever she wants to do. Looking forward to the outcome. And right here on this side, somewhere around here, there's going to be the entrance to the loft. And it's mainly for the kids and grandchildren and stuff when they come and visit. And there's going to be a little extra storage. It's Choco down there working hard, separating stuff, so I need to go and help her.